Hi guys, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make a PEYCHAUD'S Paloma. This one is straight from the Canon cocktail book, which is a fantastic book. It is more of an intermediate cocktail book, so if you're a beginner, maybe this is not the one for you, but it is still a good read. This particular one is a PEYCHAUD'S Paloma, so it's a riff on a Paloma. Whilst technically not being a Paloma, it does it's reminiscent of the original, being tequila and grapefruit soda. Today we're going to do it with grapefruit juice and soda water, so it's still kind of the same thing, but it's partially shaken and then strained over fresh ice into a Collins glass. So I'm going to start with 30 ml of your preferred tequila, 1 ounce, followed by grapefruit juice, 60 ml or 2 ounces. So this is ruby red grapefruit juice. I had someone ask about it the other day, and yes, there is a difference between, I think there's probably more varieties, but there's at least 5 main varieties. I found a really good article, so I'll link to that in the description below, and you can have a read about the subtle differences. But ruby red grapefruit is going to be a little bit more bitter than the other grapefruit varieties. Next ingredient, simple syrup. So 15 ml, half an ounce. Had to think about that one. Then add ice to your cocktail shaker and give it a quick shake. So fill Collins glass with ice and add about 60 ml of soda water. If you're from the US, Seltzer water. And strain over that fresh ice. Now it should come up a little bit short. And then you finish it with the PEYCHAUD'S bitters, 45 ml or 1.5 ounces. Probably easier to take off the little bit of plastic on the end, but I'll get there. So easy. Perfect. So as you can see, that does look awesome. It looks stunning. For a garnish, finish that with either a slice of grapefruit, a twist of grapefruit, or in my case, a piece of lime. So there you have the PEYCHAUD'S Paloma. Cheers. Tastes really good. The tequila is not overly strong. It's only got a single ounce in there. But now I'll try it again now that the PEYCHAUD'S is mixed through. Whoa. The PEYCHAUD'S really takes over. It does have that typical PEYCHAUD'S kind of floral note to it. It's quite rich. Not too sure about that. Personally, I'd probably drop the PEYCHAUD'S. It is hard to work with bitters when you're utilizing that much. There's not too many cocktails around, except for example like the Trinidad Sour with the Angostura bitters, but I think I just lower the PEYCHAUD'S and that would make for a really good drink. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.